Namaste, myself Om Prakash Kuryal, a yoga teacher in Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Culture Cooperation, a culture wing of High Commission of India, Trinidad Tobago, Port of Spain. Today we'll discuss yogic diet, or you can say balanced diet. So before going to start these things discussion on that, I would like to say something. In next video on diet, I will I will do brief discussion diet according to Hatha Yoga Pradipika, diet according to the Ayurveda, diet according to Bhagavad Gita, diet according to the Gharana Samhita. But in this video, we'll just little bit touch, not much. So we'll start balanced diet or yogic diet. A person intake appropriate amount of protein, minerals, carbohydrate, nutrients in balance amount in their day-to-day life known as balanced diet. Clear? So, according to Maharshi Patanjali, they clearly says yoga chitta vrata nirodha means yoga is discipline. Yoga is mastery over the mind. Yoga is discipline between your body, breath, and mind. Yogic diet is an integral part of yoga and human existence. In the light of Indian philosophy, diet is considered as a sacred entity. Taittiriya Upanishad says Ananta Purusa, the individual growth out of the food that he takes. And Srimad Bhagavad Gita says Yuktahara, which means balanced diet. A diet that is wholly conducive to the practice of yoga and a spiritual process is called yogic diet. According to the yoga philosophy, gross part of food nourishes the outmost seeds. Example, we have 5 layers of the existence: Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, and Anandamaya Kosha. Annamaya Kosha is physical body, Pranamaya Kosha is our respiratory system, Manomaya Kosha is our mental state, Vijnanamaya Kosha is our intellectual level, and Anandamaya Kosha is blissful state. So first seeds, Annamaya Kosha is nourished by food, first part, gross part. And subtle part of food nourish the pranamaya kosha and manamaya kosha, as I told explain you 5 koshas of a person. These different seeds emphasize different levels of consciousness. To raise one's conscious, one should purify the outermost seeds by following prescribed dietary guideline known as Pathya and Apathya, holism and unholism. As maintained in these yogi scriptures. These scriptures tell about the quality, quantity, timing, and taking order to the day-to-day life of the food. We have grown up listening to the terms balanced diet in our science subjects in childhood, and our ancestors also used to encourage us towards the balanced diet. Means they used to give in proper amount of the food our in day-to-day life since morning to night, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And after all, it is very important to keep ourselves healthy and well. A person intake important amount of the protein, minerals, and nutrients in balanced diet called at balanced diet. It is quite necessary for the smooth functioning of our body. Once you take food, your body functioning smoothly. If we consume a balanced diet regularly, we will always remain healthy. So if there is unbalanced diet, we will be not healthy. In the sense, if there is carbohydrate is there, protein is there, but vitamin and minerals are not there, we cannot say we will be healthy. There will be some shortage inside our health. So we have to take all kind of the things, protein, minerals, nutrients, all kind of things to function our body, right? So if you think water is good for health and you consume the 5 liter water or 10 liter water, that is also not good. If somebody say protein is good for the health, you consuming the protein continuously, that is also is not a perfect diet or balanced diet. And if somebody says minerals is so and so, vitamins is so and so, carbohydrates so and so, no, a proper balance amount of the food which you consume our day-to-day life, that will keep our body healthy, means same amount of the vitamin, same amount of the carbohydrate, same amount of the minerals, like that. And a balanced diet also boosts our immunity system. So if we eat healthy food in properly, means same amount of the minerals, same amount of the vitamin, same amount of the carbohydrate, it will improve our immunity system. So importance of the balanced diet. Most people believe that a balanced diet is definitely like a key to the healthy lifestyle. It is rightly believed, as even scientists say so. When we always consume a balanced diet, we will maintain our physical as well as mental health. A balanced diet must contain the proper food that are consumed in average quantity. A perfect balanced diet is composed of carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, high fiber contents, and vitamins, and more so. As I told you before that. Most importantly, it is called a balanced diet because the requires of all food to be eaten in balanced manner. For for instance, if you intake large amount of carbohydrate and a little amount of protein, then that will not be called a balanced diet, even if you are eating a right food. The balance need to be maintained that. So in this talk, we have discussed what is balanced diet, or you can say that what is yogic diet, right? So in yogic diet, we probably mostly focus on sattvic foods, or you can say yogis believe in vegetarian diet. It is believed that yogis should eat a vegetarian diet. This is because animal protein contain too much uric acid and other toxins. Some get eliminated, but rest get deposited in tissues and joint. This can lead you chronic diseases. Hence, they prefer eating high quality protein, which is obtained from the legume, green leaf, vegetables, and dairy product. They do not pollute polluted your internal system and polluted your internal system and are easily digested, as I told. So if you are in yoga day, you are applying yoga in day-to-day life, there you supposed to be a little bit care about your timing. You should avoid overeating, and you should avoid, you should give the gap between your exercise and yoga practice and food. I mean meal, minimum 2 hours. So there are so many definitions in our traditional ancient books. So I will explain in next video. Till the time, thank you very much. Namaste. I hope you will enjoy this video, and thank you. Namaste.